Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace your AC compressor of, in this case, Mitsubishi Colt 2005. Engine is 3-cylinder diesel, 95 horsepower. You can see that configuration also on Smart 44. Here we have a replacement part, complete second-hand good compressor, held by 3 bolts. In a minute I'm going to show you how to do it. That's the roller which was damaged. The compressor roller was damaged and fell down. I don't know what is the condition of my old compressor, so I decided to buy second hand which is working. Okay, I will install that before installing the compressor. Okay guys, you have a bracket, goes just like that. 2 long bolts and 1 short on the top. Let's install it. I'm gonna install it from below. On the top there is not much space. Okay guys, you can see now compressor is on place. You can see the bracket goes like that. The best access is from below. You need to have car channel. That's better view. Alright. Let's connect the pipes and power supply. Hold some place. Close the bolts. That's the belt configuration, and that is how it's supposed to be installed. It's quite a long belt. It's single belt and goes around compressor, water pump and everything. So here you have only one belt. Most cars they have 2 belts. One is only for the compressor, but here everything is connected